Oh my God. I got a fish. I don't want a horse, so I got a walleye. if I can get him in. Shit, I don't know if I can land this fish. Aaron! Holy shit. On the, well, I won't. Oh my God. Come here. Holy shit. I don't know if I can. Oh, it's a nice walleye. Oh my God. This might be the biggest walleye I've ever caught. I might have to jump in and get him. Oh, he's not that big, but wait, is this even a walleye? I got 4-pound test. He's hooked good. He's hooked good, so that's, I mean, that's good. I just don't want him to get snagged on something. I might jump in the water to get him. Is this even a walleye? Is it a fucking sucker? It is a sucker. Here, I still got to get him in. Damn, I thought it was a walleye. And he snagged. I got to get him in.
He's so close.
I have to land this fish. I don't care that it's a sucker. Oh.
See my big ass. Like, okay. What was it, a horseshoe?
Red horse sucker. Damn, I thought it was a walleye.
That would be a nice walleye if it was a walleye. Keep her safe.
Yeah.
Snag.
Yeah. What a fight. I thought it was a walleye. Well, no skunk.